what time it is, but I'm tired. She's tired. My Crunch is tired.
I found
A picture of you?
I'm right here.
Oh, cutie.
And I'm here too. And you is
It's a chorizo.
I look so adorable.
We are settling in for the night. It's about 6:30. We're an hour behind y'all, but I want to give you guys a quick tour of the apartment. Oh, this is our room. I don't know if y'all can see it very well. I'm not good at shooting at this side of the camera like that. Anyway, I will be around. Give me a shout. So we're headed on a trip on our little rocket ship.
Yeah.
Riding through the streets of Bogota.
We're going on a trip in our little rocket ship. Going through the sky.
Oh, there's
All right, it's a biking crew. Oh, a lot of people out. Oh, something's going on.
Oh yeah, every Sunday, every Monday or Sunday, they have a ciclo something.
Let's take a look.
Something.
Everyone rides a bike. Cool. One thing I'm loving about Bogota is all the walking and biking I see. People are really they're all about their walking and biking. And you can get fresh fruit and veggies everywhere. Look at this, fruit stand. So many, up and down the streets, everywhere you go. Hold on, I need a coconut, babe. Hold up, just kidding. We're waiting on my babe. He went to get me some coffee and some pan de monos.
I want some.
You gonna have some too? I'm sure Papa's gonna bring you some. So we're gonna just wait here. He's also grabbing some family members who are meeting us here, and then we're gonna head out to this excursion. Sweet boy. And they have their iPads because this is gonna be a little road trip. The temperature here is pretty cool. It's usually on average about 60, 65 every day. And then when it's overcast, which the sunny day I guess is not usual, it's actually still pretty cloudy. So it feels cooler than 60, 65. It feels more like 55, 60. And this is all I have with me. I was chilly yesterday, but it's totally fine. I'm not as cold as I thought I would be. I thought I was gonna have to go out, and I just put some powder on my nose and I keep feeling a bristle or something. Anyway, so I've been fine just with this sweater. This one is Havanas. Look at my nails. Sad state of affairs.
Green eggs and ham.
No, in the book where she said, "Do you like my hat?"
No, it was green eggs and ham.
Is it what?
Chick.
What do you mean?
A baby chick.
A baby chick?
No, there's a baby.
Oh, poor Hershey, you got shown up by a baby chick. Be very gentle, okay? Dog got the boot.
Super gentle.
Guys, look, the mom is like,
The mom is like, what are you doing to my chicks?
You love it, don't you, Tita?
It's beautiful.
Oh, little baby.
Would you like?
Adore. She's in love.
How much does she weigh?
so light,
Don't let her go.
literally.
She loves it.
She's probably wondering where mommy is.
Similar. You
Your sweater. It's right there.
Qué lindo.
What do you think, sis?
This is so cool.
Eso lo disfruto.
I wish I could keep him. She weighs around 0.5 pounds.
What do you think, baby love? It's so cute, huh?
Every time
Mommy.
he's like, I feel her shivering. It feels
She's nervous.
Bring her over here too.
Let it go. I can't.
¿La mamá es ella? Sí. Tómale foto a la niña.
What do you think, Crunch?
Whoa, no. That's not how we
Mira, y
I do that again. While we're eating, there's gonna be a horse show down here.
Oh. It looks like Angel.
He's a big guy. A big guy. So big.
Oh,
Wait, not too close.
he's cutie crunch. I like that one.
He's the one that kept running away. So cute. He's so cute.
¡Súpale! ¡Épale! Muy bien. ¡Eso! ¿Listo, vaqueros?
Vaqueros.
¡Épale! Entonces bajamos juntos.
You can follow us.
¡Vámonos, vaqueros! ¡Oh, oh, oh!
Bye-bye. So this has got to be one of Colombia's most famous churches. It's more than 600 feet underground. It's a former salt mine, and its carving was started more than 200 years ago. It features the Catholic Stations of the Cross, and each station exhibits a lit, colorful cross that is just beautiful, and or a statue, one of the prominent ones being a depiction of the Archangel Gabriel. It also has worship service, which is popular, of course, during Easter. There were stores, restaurants available. It was quite the sight to see.
This is the biggest cross in the world. Around 50 around, and look how the average human is about this tall. This cross is big tall. It's around 50 feet tall. That bunny felt so light, lighter than Angel.
Yeah, she wasn't that heavy?
No, she was like 2 grams.
Oh. Wow, guys, we stopped for a quick coffee and they brought it out to the car like this.
This is the side of the highway, mind you.
Yes, this is some random road
And they brought out the coffee
to the car.
And he said he's gonna come back to get
The mug.
the mug and the plate. Shout out
Pretty
to
fancy.
Guadalupe.
Parador Restaurante Guadalupe.
This is when you don't want to run out of gas.
I mean, this video is not even capturing the realness of this fog. Yeah, how thick this fog is right now.
Maybe I'll high beam. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
Crazy. Thank God my babe's driving. I'm good. It's no for me, dog.
that's enough for me, dog. All right, 2 miles.
It's a no gracias para mí. Pero